Alright, YouTube, so I just realized the original intro was for some reason muted. Like, I couldn't really get the audio to play on it. So I'm gonna give you guys the basic rundown of the video. My aunt, she just came in from Sudan about a month ago on a vacation trip. And she's never been in anything really quick before. So in the video, I was just like, you know what? Let me get her reaction to my car and stretch his legs a little bit and hopefully, you know, get a good reaction out of her. The fastest car she's probably ever been in makes around 150 horsepower, something like that, max. So that compared to like 900 brake horsepower is a big difference. And yeah, it was like a nice little video to make because I used to always go visit them when I would go to like North Sudan over the summer. I'd always go to their house and like visit them and stay with them. And, you know, that was like a core memory of my childhood. So for when she came out here and visited, I was like, man, this would be a great like opportunity to do this video because if she leaves, I don't know when she'd come back. And, you know, it's like a nice video to have for like memories and stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. And then I also forgot to mention, guys, her English is not the best because it's not really her primary language. So bear with her in the video. I think she did a real good job getting her thoughts out there and everything and talking. But just wanted to put that out there for you guys. All right, guys, check her out. We got the BMW M4. Then we got my aunt over here. Send عليهم, say hi.
Hi. Hi, Hamza Flower.
What's the fastest car you've been in?
Yeah, I am
Uh-huh.
Suad Alawat.
Ayo.
I am Hamza.
Yeah.
Auntie.
Yes.
Yeah. My English it is very poor because I come from Sudan.
Uh-huh. Your English is good.
Yeah.
Your English is good.
Yeah. I am very happy to be with Hamza.
I'm
My
happy to
sister
be with
son.
you too. Yeah.
He's a very, very, very cute boy.
Thank you.
I like him very much, very much.
I like
very
you too.
Much like my son.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
Yeah.
Give me a hug. What is the fastest car you've been in?
Yeah.
What the fastest car? أسرع عربية أنت ركبتها.
Yeah, yeah.
Where
Fastest car. No, not very good car. Only good car in Hamza.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Are you scared?
Yeah.
You're scared?
Yeah.
Taifa?
No, not afraid.
You're not afraid?
Yeah.
No, you've
Yeah,
got a
not
strong heart.
afraid. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
We are very happy and very glad that we are there.
Yeah, guys, that's my aunt right there.
Yeah.
My favorite aunt. When I used to go back home, I used to stay at her house a lot in Sudan. I always used to visit.
Yeah.
When I was a baby, I used to come to Sudan.
Yeah. My daughter and my son in Abu Dhabi. My brother in Sudan.
Yeah.
When I get the green card, I go to Sudan, to Abu Dhabi, there is Saudi Arabia, to
Have
make
fun.
Umrah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And after that, I go to Sudan to see my brother, my sisters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you cold?
Yeah.
You're cold? Okay, let's go. We can go.
Okay, it is very, Ohio State, it is very cold.
Yeah.
Because I come from Sudan, African country.
It's hot.
It is hot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get you in the car.
Okay.
عفوا. Okay, نفتح لك. Is it low?
Yeah.
واطية, is it low? Okay, look at the struggle, guys.
Thank you, Hamza.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
She's in there, good. Okay, I'll close the door so you stay warm, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So, guys, we got my stage 2 BMW M4. It's a little bit cold here, so I'm just like, okay, let me keep my aunt nice and warm. But check it out, guys. Super clean car. It got the Motivo motoring sauce on it, which is the carbon fiber bits and the yellow DRLs. It's one of my businesses, so you guys, if you need any carbon fiber parts or exterior mods, check out Motivo Motoring. We make stuff for BMW specifically. And then we got the Motivo forged wheels shining right there, as y'all can see. All right. Also one of my businesses, check out motivoforge.com. We make custom wheels for any vehicle with any finishes you like. We got a lot of sick designs. Now, what's done to this car, you might be wondering? This car has a full active auto work exhaust setup from the axle back to the downpipes and the mid pipe. It is a stage 2 car on port injection, so I can run E85 on this car. And you're looking at right under 800 wheel horsepower in this setup, which is equivalent to roughly 910 or 900 brake horsepower. But with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and roll, get this video going, so I can get my aunt home. She's over here chilling on the phone, you know. But yeah, that's my favorite aunt, man. We grew up going to her house every summer, and you know, so now she's here. It's a real nice experience, and I was like, this is something I definitely got to capitalize on before she returns back home. Let's roll.
إيهاب متابعكم؟
ما أعرف والله.
أنا لأنه قلت لك اعملوا له فلور عشان متابعينه في أكثر.
شكرا. All right, guys, we got my aunt in the car.
Yeah.
First time really pushing it.
الحين تسجل؟
Yes, سجلت دابي.
Yeah.
It's the first time she's getting in this car, and I really kind of opened it up a little bit, so it should be nice and interesting. If you guys like this reaction, I'm gonna keep these videos coming, get other people in the car as well, and document it, because it's a lot of fun, you know. So it's always nice to have other people experience the car. I feel like sometimes I kind of get used to it, so I can't really give y'all a good perspective on how crazy this car actually is. So right now, we're taking it nice and easy. Are you ready? The seatbelt first. It's a little bit cold out, so I think it's going to be spinning a bit. But I'll probably ease into it. And then once we get on the highway, I'll properly open the car up as well. عرفتي له ولا ساعدك؟
لا لا بس.
You got it? عريفة عرفتي له yeah. How do you like it from the inside? You like the car?
لا لا.
You don't like the car?
What car?
The car, vehicle. This car, the BMW. You like it?
Yeah, very fine. Very beautiful.
What do you like about it?
About what?
The car.
Very fine.
What specifically?
Specifically.
يعني بتحبي شنو في أكتر حاجة تحبيها؟
في السيارة؟
في السيارة yeah.
Color.
The outside?
It's fine colors, yeah.
Nice.
And very comfortable.
شكرا.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay.
It's very comfortable.
So you've never been in a fast car?
Yeah. Hamza, not hurry up. Fast, not fast quickly, very.
Normal.
Yeah, normal, yeah.
Okay.
So Hamza,
I'll,
better you off.
you ready?
Yeah.
A little bit. You ready?
Yeah. If Saida is here, it is very afraid, Hamza, mom.
Should be
Not
scared.
like me, it is very afraid.
You weren't scared there?
Yeah, Hamza, when we go to Hamza in his car, Hamza mother said to him, slow, Hamza, slow, not fast.
Not like that.
Yeah.
How does it feel? Were you scared?
I am not afraid, yeah.
You aren't afraid?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I thought you were going to be scared.
Yeah.
It's like when a plane takes off, right?
Yeah.
تعرف فهمتي؟
أيوة.
يعني الطيارة بعد تقوم.
Yeah, like airplane if it is
taking off.
taking off, yeah.
Yeah.
Not afraid, no.
Wow.
I am not afraid. Yeah.
You see how it does this?
Yeah.
تفحط.
Right and left.
Yeah, exactly.
In Saudi في الحيط.
Yeah.
In Saudi Arabia
Yeah.
في الحيط.
That means drifting in
Yeah.
Arabic, guys.
I am in Saudi Arabia 25 years in city Hail
Yeah.
near Al Qasim. Yeah.
You lived there for 25 years?
Yeah.
Then where'd you
I love Saudi Arabia very much. I love Hail city and I have many friends.
In Hail?
Yeah.
Where'd you live after Saudi?
25 years.
After that, where'd you go?
When?
After Saudi, where'd you live? بعد السعودية مشيت.
I went to Sudan.
For how long?
Yeah, 20 years now in Sudan.
20 years.
Yeah. My friend come from Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
Saudi nationality. My friend Saudi.
Nice.
Every year come to visit me.
In Sudan?
Yeah, from
Yeah.
Saudi Arabia. As Sudan. Every year come 2 times, 3 times in a year. حركات وبركات يا حمزة.
What's that in English? What is harakat and barakat in English?
حركات وبركات in English.
Give it a try.
Like حركات.
Tricks.
Yeah, yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Because I said to Flowers, my English it is very poor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's not that bad. You're
Because
doing
my
a good job.
mother language it is Arabic.
Yeah. Your
Yeah.
main language is Arabic.
Yeah. But Hamza, because born here, when Hamza came to visit me in Sudan, learn Arabic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have good Arabic, or my
Yeah.
Arabic is bad?
Yeah.
Is my Arabic good or bad? think I-
No. Hamza good Arabic, yeah.
Yeah, thank you,
Not
thank you.
every children born in America,
Yeah.
United States, or in Europe,
They can't
English
speak.
it is very poor.
Yeah.
But Hamza, good Arabic.
Thank you.
English it is very good.
Yeah, but the
But
Arabic.
Arabic it is poor. But Hamza not like this.
Thank you.
Hamza it is very
Strong.
understand Arabic and speak Arabic. Good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So what do you think of the
I
car?
am very sorry if you don't learn my understand my language. Yeah.
I think they'll
Because I
understand.
told you floor my English it is very poor. هنا زنط يا حمزة.
لا لا
يغير الليل يجي لين الليلة يا حمزة تفسحنا.
الليلة غريبة ما خايفة. I'm surprised you're not scared.
لا not at all different. If say that my sister Hamza mother
Yeah.
with us Hamza not like this, but now his mother not with us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I said if this video gets a lot of views, I'll get my mom on in the car.
Yeah, Hamza mom it is very famous.
She'll scream.
Yeah, not like me.
Yeah. You surprised me.
Yeah.
You surprised me with that. I thought you were gonna be a bit more scared. Maybe my car is not fast enough, guys. She's too chill about it.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you like America so far?
America. America what?
Do you like it or not?
Yeah, America it is very
It's cold.
yeah cold. Yeah, but it is cold, but it's very Ohio State it is very quiet.
Peaceful.
Not busy city.
Yeah.
Yeah.
hear the sound?
Yeah.
Yalla, you ready? دي فحيط كده.
ده في الحيط ايوه.
Yeah.
السوداني سعودي في الحيط. سعودي عربية.
You see the smoke behind us?
Yeah.
شفتيه؟
Yeah.
That was a drift كده.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't give you a heads up. I didn't tell you.
Yeah. Today I am very happy to be with Hamza.
Yo, she
Hamza.
I give her respect, guys. I thought she was gonna be scared a little bit. She's been like chilling, you know. يعني قلت له انت ما بتخافي. I'm surprised.
Yeah.
I thought she was gonna be terrified this whole time we're in the car.
My age over 60
Mm-hmm.
and I am
Let's give this
Not
guy a little bit of
afraid, yeah.
room in the bike right there.
I am
I don't even know her reaction because every time I do a pull, I'm like laser focused on the road, guys. I can't even really look to be like, oh, is she scared or not? I'm just assuming she's chilling because she seems like she's doing all right. But yeah, man, now you guys know how I look. I feel like I'll be looking crazy when I'm doing a pull or anything like that. I feel like I'll be looking nuts. I feel like. But now my aunt, she's chilling, man. I'm probably go ahead and wrap the video up here. If you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. حدثيهم bye, tell them bye.
Yeah.
I'm gonna end the video.
about video.
Yeah, tell them to subscribe.
Yeah, I am. Yeah, subscribe and
Yeah.
share.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's get it out there.
This video must be many subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Views.
And share.
Tell them bye.